This video is all about Region 4B or the Mimaropa region. Region 4B or the Mimaropa region is a part of the Luzon Island group. There are 5 provinces, 2 cities, 71 municipalities, and 1,460 barangays. The Mimaropa region is an administrative region in the Philippines group under the Luzon Island group. It covers 5 provinces, namely Marinduque, Occidental Mindoro, Oriental Mindoro, Palawan, and Romblon, as well as one highly urbanized city. The regional center is the city of Calapan. Mimaropa region is bordered clockwise from the northeast by the Tayabas Bay, Sibuyan Sea, Sulu Sea, Balabac Strait, and the South China Sea. There is no city in the province of Marinduque, 6 municipalities, and 218 barangays. For the province of Occidental Mindoro, there is no city, 11 municipalities, and 164 barangays. For the province of Oriental Mindoro, there is 1 city, 14 municipalities, and 426 barangays. For the province of Palawan, there is 1 city, 23 municipalities, and 433 barangays. For the province of Romblon, there is no city, 17 municipalities, and 219 barangays. Once again, for Region 4B or the Mimaropa region, this is a part of the Luzon Island group. It is composed of 5 provinces, 2 cities, 71 municipalities, and 1,460 barangays. And those are the information or facts that you need to know about Region 4B or the Mimaropa region. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.